back to the channel today. Yes, do you see all this beautifulness on my head? If you want to know what wig I got on today, honey, and you want to know the specs and if it's a slay or nay, I guess you just got to stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Yes, we are here for some more Kalyss drip, y'all. Yes, it's been a minute since I did a review on them. Let's open up this gorgeous unit. Let's see what we are working with. Yes, straight out the pack. Very nice, very soft. Loving it as usual. Yes, pretty long, but very beautiful. Very well braided. As always, always to the end. It's very soft. Let's get into this cap construction. Do you see that lace? Very pretty, very nice. It's a soft lace. So inside of the cap, we got the two combs up at the top. We also have a band attached to this one. Very nice. Placed at a good place too. We have a comb in the back, and we do have the adjustable straps. Yes, she is good. And the stretchability is pretty good on here. So I would say she's big head friendly. Here is our stock card. As you know, they don't name their wigs, so just general information for you. Now, here is the top of our unit. Now, that lace is gorgeous. As you can see, it kind of blends in with my skin. I love the detail at the top. And then here is the baby hairs. Very pretty, very soft. And like I said, that lace is very soft. So is the baby hairs. Very pretty. Yes. So inside the freebies, you get some jewels for the hair. Of course, they always give you some lashes, and then they give you a wig cap. Yes. All right, so let's see where I'm going to put this band. So I'm going to adjust mine, and I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to adjust it to for my head type and my flexibility. So that's where I'm adjusting it to, right there, kind of midpoint. And then I was trying to figure out if I wanted to move where the adjustable straps are, but I think I'm going to leave them where they're at and see how it fits on my head. So now I'm just going to try it on before I cut off that lace and see where I'm working with. Adjust it on my head. Okay, I'm liking this. So ear to ear, I'm just trying to get that lace down over my ear. Pretty good because it stops kind of right at the start of your ear on both ends. So that's really nice. And those baby hairs, like I said, they are gorgeous. They're pretty. Loving that. You can see my wig grip through there. So if you're wearing a wig grip, you may want to adjust that little tag that comes on the wig grip. You'll see me adjust it later in the video, excuse me. But yes, so here's some side view. She's very cute. Let's turn around and see the back. There's no gaps. Yes, okay, this is cute. And I am 5'4". I always say I'm 5'6", and it comes down to my butt. Now I'm just saying where that wig grip is, you're gonna need to adjust that. So I'm gonna adjust that so that you don't see that going forward in the video. So just a little tip again, if you're gonna wear a wig grip, you may want to adjust where that tag is showing. Yeah, so now you'll see me adjusting, kind of putting that tag in the back. So we can get cute. So I'm just going to put it back to my temple, and then for my little sideburns, I'm just going to go in and put some gel on there and just get those out of my way so they are done before I apply the wig back onto my head. And now we're going to cut off that lace. So you just want to pull those baby hairs back, and you just want to kind of cut along the edges. And as you can see, I noticed there was like a jagged edge there, and you could just go back in and trim that off right there, that little piece. So I'm going to trim that off, and then we will be back in effect. Ew. And it trimmed off a little bit of the baby hairs, but it's all good because you still got plenty to work with, honey. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to apply this back on my head and finish installing her. Yes, yes, yes. And you want to make sure you pull it back to your hairline. And then make sure that it aligns. And you'll see me adjust it. There I go. Adjusting it back. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to show you where I'm going to put those combs up at the top. So the combs, again, are kind of inside of the cap. So they're not at the front of the temple where you can just slide it up under there. You kind of got to go in the back of your head and kind of slide them down. But I would say that they did kind of work for me, because sometimes they don't work for me. And I'm just going in doing the same thing with the other side, adjusting it down so that it's tight on my head. Yes, you'll see me shake my head, making sure that it's adjusted. The comb in the back didn't really do that much for me. So I'm glad that they attached the band to this unit, because those combs and the band is kind of what kept it kind of adjusted correctly on my head, if that makes sense. And then I'm just trying to see what I want to do with those baby hairs. So first I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut them down just a little bit, because they are like super long and I don't want to cut them off too much, because wearing this wig and wearing it every day, you know, you kind of want to have a little something up there for you to kind of work with. So you'll just see me going in, just kind of applying some of that gel and trying to trim these baby hairs down and trying to get them right, honey. Okay, trying to do a little swoop, doop doop doop. You know how I do. You know I hate doing some baby hairs and some sideburns, but a sister will try just a little bit. Okay. Yes, y'all. But this is cute, 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 cute. Yes, she cute. Yes, let's get into it, y'all. So if you are new here, welcome to the Sweets family. Hello, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on that thumbnail and coming to watch my video. I would appreciate if you go ahead and subscribe at the link below, but don't forget to turn on those notification bells so you know when I upload a new video. And if you feel so inclined, share this with your homeboy, your homegirl, your mama, your papa, your daddy, whoever, honey. Make sure to let YouTube know how you are enjoying these videos. And if you feel so inclined, give us a thumbs up, honey. Okay, now let's get into this beautiful drip. So if you've been rocking with me from the beginning, it's been a while since I reviewed a Kalyss wig. And I'm going to be honest with you, honey. It's because they've been doing a little bit of slacking, okay? Their website now looks a little shady. I've ordered a couple wigs off of there and didn't get them, and had to go to my credit card company and dispute. I ordered a couple wigs off of AliExpress because they also have a site on there. And honey, it was the same thing. It was saying that the wig was delivered, wig was not delivered, okay? So I don't know what's going on with them. So I know that they have an Amazon shop, because that's where I originally started buying their stuff. And you can see if it's Prime or if you have to wait a couple days or whatever. This wig I've been trying to get for months, because it'll literally, I'll go on there, I'll see it, and then I'll go on there and buy it, and it'll be like unavailable. So I don't know what's going on with Kalyss. Quite frankly, it's not my business, and I really don't care. It's just, if I see a wig and I want the wig, I would want it to be in stock so that I can get it. But I think I'm gonna stick with buying their wigs off of Amazon. But that's just my opinion, okay? Y'all can take it any way that you want, okay? I'm spending my own coin on this, so I don't have time for people whose stuff is always out of stock. And when I do buy it, they got a refund or they say it was delivered. I don't have time for all of that. So anywho, we're going to talk about this unit today. So with that being said, this was brought off of Amazon Prime. I'll leave everything in the description box, all the links and everything to this direct wig. They do have it in a couple of colors. So if you want this wig, I suggest you hurry up and go in there and get it. Because like I said, one day it's available, the next day it's not, and you got to wait and wait and wait. So anywho, let's get into the specs. So, like I said, I bought this off of Amazon, and this is the Kalyss 28-inch hand-braided 13x6 lace frontal side part twist braid wig with baby hairs, okay? They always have a long extra title. I wish they just have a name like Sasha or something like that. Anywho, they don't, but let's get into it, y'all. So I do see that the black right now is still in stock. I paid $139.99 for it, but I had like a $10 coupon, plus I had some other coupons. So I'll put the number or somewhere on the screen of what I actually paid for it, but $140, you can say. That's what it's going for on Amazon. So this one, it is a Kanekalon fiber. It's a synthetic wig. The color I have is black, and I told you the length is 28 inches. It's super soft, very soft. Their wigs always come very well braided, and it's always super soft. And they do come braided all the way at the end. No dipping needed for any of that. It does say it's heat resistant up to 150 degrees. It says that it's great for daily wear, for costumes, whatever. It does give you some tips on here. It says not to spray gel water or, you know, those wax sticks. It says not to put it on the wig because it can cause the wig to get oily. I've never seen that in one of the descriptions, so maybe something that you would want to know. And then it says all synthetics wigs happen to be minimal shedding and tangling. That's pretty much it, you guys. There's really nothing else about it. I got this wig because I love the detail right here. I previously did a wig. It was like my second or first video, I can't remember. The wig, it was kind of sort of the same kind of style, and I loved the way that it had the little detail and braids kind of going that way. But that one got old because I wore that one a lot, and I wanted another wig, but not the same wig, but kind of, you know, with the same type of design in it. So like I said, I've been trying to get this one for a very long time, so I'm happy that I finally got it, because this will probably be one of my favorite kind of go-to type wigs. And I just did another review with another company about a couple weeks ago. I'll leave a card up here and I'll leave a link below. So I'll leave a link below to that wig, and that one is gorgeous. I love it so much. I got it in 3 different colors, but I can't pronounce the company. It's like a B-Art or Briart or something like that, but go check out that video. Those wigs are fire and they're still available. So more about this one. So like I said, I love the detail of it. The combs are up here once you put it on, and I did show you that I kind of put those combs down in there. The band is what's making it really tight, and I kind of like that. It's very tight on my head. I don't feel like it's gonna move or go anywhere if I'm doing stuff, so that is a plus. This is glueless. I do not glue my wigs down unless it's absolutely necessary. I don't feel that you need to glue this down, but everybody's different. But for me, this is glueless. I don't think I need to. I don't think I need all that freeze spray in there to glue this down because it's already tight on my head, which is awesome. And as you've seen before, I'll just put a little side card over here. When I turned around, there's no gaps. It's very full in the back. I'll probably always wear it towards the front. That's just my preference when I wear my braided wigs, but there's no gaps in it at all. It's very full. The baby hairs on here are very pretty. I did cut them down, as you seen me in the beginning. So I did cut those down just a little bit. Sometimes I like to just leave the baby hairs because they be so pretty, but I wanted to cut those down just a little bit. So for me, this is definitely a slay because I really don't have any cons about the wig at all. Like nothing. I mean, I'm not getting any shedding, not getting any tangling. Like I said, the hair is very soft, it's very lightweight, so you can wear it in the summertime, in the wintertime, whatever. It's a great everyday wig. I love the design content of it, and if you're interested in the little jewels that I have on my head, again, check the description box. I got these off of Amazon as well. And then I just have a little clip on this side, you know, just to show you guys that you could do some different stuff with her. You can probably like put it up in a ponytail too, you know, just to kind of pull it back. But for me, I'm just very plain when it comes to my wigs. I just kind of like to wear them as they are. But you have options to do other things with your wigs. So you guys let me know in the comments below, is this a slay or nay for you? And then if you're going to go get this wig, as always, follow me on my Instagram handle right here. And until next time, my sweets, I'll see ya in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.